Afternoon guys, Stevie here. How's it going today? Today I'm going to be tying an Olive flashback Diawl Bach, and in the vise I've got the Diawl wet fly hook, black nickel, size 12. The thread I'll be using is Olive uni thread in 8/0, Olive done. So we'll get started. I've already pre-waxed the thread, so just take the thread down the hook shank, just above where the barb should be. I cut off the waist, and for the tail I've got this Sooty Olive hackle, cock hackle, so 45 degrees and rip. It's quite a wee sparse fly this, so pinch and loop, down we go, and just tie it all in. Cut off the waist, and for the rib I'm using olive wire. Fine wire. Just bring that down my side of the body. And for the flashback I'm using Olive holographic, medium. So just tie this in, back down, and for the body it's 2 strands of Peacock hearl. So 1 tip in, 1 butt in, so just pair them up, cut off the end, and just size it up to the size of the body, the length of the body. Tie this down, and take the Peacock hearl and wind under the hook, touch and turns. And cut off the waist. Bring forward the shell back, the flashback, hold it down with your finger, then tie it in. Get a wee pull, and cut off the waist, and bring the rib up. So once you come up to my side, pull it tight. Nice even turns. Tie that in. Hold the thread and wiggle the wire off. So for the bearded hackle, same again, the Sooty Olive hackle fibres. Like I say, it's pretty sparse this fly, and pinch and loop up the way. Cut off the waist, and whip finish. So this is a good fly for the the tricky fish. So cut off the thread. You can see a wee bit of loose ends there. So varnish your head. Like I say, this is a good fly for the kind of tricky fish. Had a good night in the Lake of Menteith for this, fishing the angling water heats with the Menteith ospreys a few years ago. The fish were quite hard to get at night time, and this one come up trumps for me. So this is a good one for a box. Just clean that under there. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Cheers.